Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. This is Christy. Hi. Here real quick with our grocery haul. We actually had a pretty small haul this week too. A little larger than last week though. We got our son some goldfish crackers. He also wanted some pizza, and so we got him 2 of these, and we actually think he was going to use one of them this weekend while we're in Galveston, so cheaper than him ordering pizza. We are going to have quesadillas this week. Let's see, I got some bananas. With our quesadillas, we're also going to make some rotel dip. We're going to make a try something new recipe this week, which means I'm not telling you yet, but you'll see a video soon about what the recipe is. But it calls for cheddar cheese soup. We got naan bread for our son. They were 2 for $4 on sale. But I also had a coupon in the app for $3 off of deli, and we think that this is what was considered deli because it is in the deli section. And so it was $3 off, which meant that would have been $1 for 2 naan bread. But we're not sure exactly what we got that was in the deli that would have been different than that. So it had to be that. Can't think of anything else. Garlic. We got red potatoes because we're going to have low country skillet this week. We got Parmesan cheese for a recipe that I can't think of at the moment. Sour cream because I'm going to make some keto creamed spinach, and it calls for like 2 tablespoons of sour cream. That's why I got a really small container. We are going to make lasagna this week, so we needed some ricotta, or however you pronounce it. And like I said, lasagna. We did not need chicken, but this was on sale, $1 per pound, so we grabbed 1 pack. We live in an apartment and we don't have a deep freezer, so this is how we stock up. We grab 1 or 2 of something when it's on sale and then put that in there when we don't need it. So we can't do a large bulk shopping on meat, but we do our best to stock up a little ahead of time. We'll have that with the quesadillas and the rotel dip. Joel needed some bread for his breakfast foods. We needed spinach for the low country skillet, and I'm also going to use it in some of my lunches. That was a full pound, and it was only $3 and some odd change, so really good price on that. This is for the low country skillet. We like to buy a huge bag of broccoli and then use it for roasted broccoli throughout the weeks. It usually will last us somewhere around a month for this entire bag. This spaghetti sauce is for the lasagna. The creamer is for Joel. I got some maple syrup for some of my stuff. I'll be able to use that on the AIP protocol when I start it. And we got some salsa, and that is again for the try something new recipe. We got some chicken noodle soup because Joel has been feeling poorly over there, bless his heart. So he wanted some soup tonight for dinner, so we grabbed some soup while we were out. Our son wanted some Pop-Tarts, and Joel wanted some snack packs. Ooh, it's been dark. Excuse the background. Okay, we actually had a really good grocery haul because right now they have a lot of deals on their app, coupons. So first of all, I had the $3 off of a deli. We also had $3 off a 30 if you spent $30 in the store or off your basket. We also had one that was $3 off produce. So we spent, it virtually made the spinach about 50 cents. And also they just come out with a new HEB app. And if you downloaded the new app, they gave you a $5 off if you spent $30. So we had the $3 off if you spent $30 plus the $5 off if you spent $30 meant we had $8 off the basket plus $3 off for the produce and $3 off for the deli, and plus a few other coupons that I found in the app that got some of this stuff cheaper. I don't remember what. But anyway, basically it was $16 worth of coupons. So the total was $63.40. Yep. So pretty good. Okay, that is all for this week. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment below and tell us if there are any videos that you would like to see, maybe a recipe from our meal plan. Be sure to check out one of the videos. It's probably floating around on the screen. And this is Christy for The Long Run with Joel and Christy. Bye.